Alright, so this is sprint number 4 for Endgame systems. So the main part of this sprint we worked on was the send survey to supervisor process. So we did this in process builder. So this here is the logic that we have. So we start off with the case. In the case when a record is created or edited, this will happen. So first it'll choose if it's marketing or international business, and the criteria we have is if the internship type on the form equals marketing, and if the case status is approved, then we'll go and do this logic, which is called send survey. So it's going to send the employee evaluation survey that we have created. It's going to send a survey link in an email to a user in our org, which is going to be supervisor, and it's going to send a unique link. And if it's not a marketing internship type, then it's going to go to the next one, and you'll see that the internship type equals international business. It'll go in here. Also, if it's approved only, it'll do the same exact thing and send a survey to the employee supervisor.